reception and everything. So we're basically a taste and elegance if you want to define the rich go weddings.
Questions, guys?
So, aside from catering, you also cater with the wedding services. What kind of wedding services?
Well, normally we're not just cater for weddings. We do lots of events mostly, but most of the events that we did was wedding. So that's why the interpretation of my boss in terms of the name, which is called weddings, is if you could do weddings, you could do all events, mostly most events. Kasi well, in this industry, weddings are the most intricate, masyadong maraming details. You'll be overwhelmed with lots of details. So that's why we call the company Disco Weddings.
So what kind of cuisines do you offer to your clients?
Basically, the package that we offer, well, we have two packages. We have the 348 and then the 1200. So it's the 888 and then the 1200. So in terms of the menu, with those packages, we serve a cuisine of a mixture of French Mediterranean with a touch of Asian cuisine.
So, what makes you tie up with Felicidad Mansion as one of your events venue?
Well, in terms of having an accredited venue, the process is they call you. If the service is good, if the food is good, and then everything goes along well, they will call you. Eventually, venues will try to have a tie-up with you. So, in terms with us, we've seen the place, we've seen well, one thing you have to consider in getting a venue is the surroundings. You have to know first kung meron ba malapit na church, because these are the commonly what you call this, parang flow ng clients. If there's a near church and then the venue, then mostly most of the clients will go there. Yun ang kinukuha ng mga brides and grooms kasi yung easy way out, parang where malapit na venue, where you may malapit na church. So basically those traits nakita namin dito with Felicidad, and then yung looking for more years, nakikita namin na it will eventually be a place to be in terms of wedding.
Sino mga celebrities or politicians na nag-like?
Yeah, we have. Well, I'm the caterer of Ella Cruz. If you're familiar with Ella Cruz, the dancer, I did her debut. Then from the debut, I did a lot of her personal events, like yung opening ng one of her studio. And then in terms of political personalities, we're based in Valenzuela. Before we venture with Richco, we're the only caterer who does Valenzuela City Hall events. So in terms of politicians, we normally cater the Gatchalian Brothers events.
So, what differs your company from the other caterers?
Well,
Ano yung extra?
as I've said earlier, if you want to define Richco, it's basically taste and elegance. So in terms of the food, we basically make sure that we're in terms of the taste, we have an executive chef who does the R&D, we have sous chef who does the cooking and everything. In terms of the styling, we have the in-house stylist who does everything in terms of that section. So if you wanna define Richco, it's basically taste and elegance.
And have you ever had a client na may crazy request? Like, what's the craziest request you got from a client?
Well,
The most bonggisius
every client has their own crazy things to request. So, siguro, some doesn't know yung defining the limit between the caterer and other suppliers. Kasi minsan, they look at us as coordinator. Okay? So some will request now, can you do the seating arrangement, which is not part of the catering business. So you have the coordinators who will do that. So those things actually marami. So there are different clients, there are different requests. So mostly ganun lang yung what we encountered so far.
Any limitations for Rich Gold?
In terms of what?
in terms of pagtanggap ng client?
No. We don't wanna label clients. But kasi when you go with us, we let you know first what are the basics. So some will do. Meron kami na encounter na they can't afford. So what we normally do, we customize for them. So it's not too stiff na what we offer is this lang. Ito lang. We normally oblige with what they want. As long as we can deliver.
You mentioned taste and elegance.
Yeah.
To be at par with other sa companies, do you also send your personnel sa mga trainings abroad or sa iba pang mga
No, actually what we do, we normally train, like in terms of, let me be specific. In terms of the waiters, we normally don't get agencies. So what we normally do is we build a community that which is around our commissary. We build personnels. Then we let them go to the hotel. The owner is is sitting on a particular hotel. So what he normally does, he send them for trainings. So that's in terms of the account executives, in terms of the sales, we normally go to seminars. We let them we go Singapore, we go abroad, so they can feel outside their comfort zone.
Mga questions?
Okay, same question that I asked earlier.
Yeah.
How soon do they need to book to your catering?
Okay, it's case-to-case basis.
Like for a wedding, for
Yeah,
example.
for a wedding, well, there's a process. Well, the number one thing you have to do is find a church. Because booking of church is very, very hectic. So if your wedding is on 2018, mostly, definitely dapat nakabook ka na by this time. So you have to find church. Then in terms of the venue, you have to look for the venue then. Kasi ang booking ng venue is a first come first serve basis. So pag nakabook na siya, you won't get them. But in terms of catering, as long as the dates are available, as long as we're open, it's not particularly on how many months or how many years you're going to book us. It's basically on how you will know your reception will go out. Kasi ang mangyayari niyan, if you know what you want, mas madali. We can do this a month. We can do this a month. As long as as long as the dates are available, we can accept you. And the most the easiest part is if you know what you want, much better for us. Kasi mas madali magiging process.
So you ask your clients first if they were able to meet those.
Yeah. We normally do. Kasi well, that's the normal thing naman na nangyayari. Ganun naman nangyayari. When clients go with us, they have venue also already. So ganun naman.
Usually, sir, mga ilang events ang kaya niyo for...
Okay. We catered 1,000 of corporate, and in a day, this I'm talking about in a day, we can cater 1,000 corporate and 3 weddings. On a regular basis, on a regular day, we normally accept only 3 to 4. Why? Because we don't want to put yung service, yung quality of the food on risk. So at the same time, my boss, the owner, he wants to go with those each event in a day. Gusto niya nakikita niya. He's very hands-on. So gusto niya ganun. Kasi some do 20s in a day. You'll be surprised. On a regular month, on a lean month, they do 20s. But yun nga, you won't know. Meron doon like 10, 5, tasabog. Because of the quality. We put them on risk. So for us, we try to limit it at least 3 to 4. When it's 3 to 4 in a day, we close it. We say no. As much as possible, as much as we don't want to, we have to say no. To keep the quality.
Okay, invite viewers
Alright,
where they can contact you. Meron pa?
Question muna, do you consider, o meron ba kayong mga peak season? At saka yung pinaka-slow season?
Sorry.
Do you
Meron
have
bang
any
peak season?
Yeah, we have. Well, what they normally know is the June month. Yan ang peak season natin. But for us, the peak season is December, January.
Oh yes.
Why? Because everyone from abroad goes
Home.
home.
Back.
Yung ginagawa
celebrity.
nila, if they do want to consolidate it in 1 month, parang isa na lang and then hindi na babalik. So the peak seasons are when the bear month starts. And then the lean month will start most probably by July until these are the rainy seasons for us. So
How about out of town? Do you,
yeah, we have lots of venues in Tagaytay for the south. For the north, the farthest we can do is Olongapo. So Subic, yeah, that's the farthest we can do.
If it's an out of town, how do you prepare yung mga food?
We do on the spot. We bring in our kitchen.
Wow.
Kasi what we normally do kasi sa regular events, it's prep in the commissary. But when it's out of town, we bring in our kitchen together with the tables and chairs. So it's cook on the spot. Everything is cook on the spot. Well, it all depends on how far. Kasi what my boss invests in is it's called Cambro. It's a food container that contains that it keeps the temperature from the cooking and then from the travel. So we invest in on that. You know, if we're talking about like Alabang, it can keep the temperature at that point. But if it's in Tagaytay, you have to do on the spot.
More? Okay, invite us.
Yeah, all right. You can visit at www.richgoldweddings.com, or you can visit our Facebook page, which is Facebook Rich Gold, and you can try to like us on Instagram. You can call us at 415-6887. Thank you.
Thank you.